Look at the youngster. He tried to intimidate the vehicle that is bigger than the vehicle by making himself big, opening, flapping the ears and coming more towards the vehicle. Check more to our right here. Oh, it's coming. More to our right here. Or the breathing head of elephant. Soon the youngster trumpeting. They were coming back, trying to investigate what's going on. Look at that. Amazing. Coming very forward towards vehicle. Sometimes I have to be silent. That, as you can see, the elephant is nodding the head. It's one of the son. He's trying to make himself or intimidate the vehicle to move, because anything that is not moving, sometimes all the animals that are living out in the wild, it tend to be so much dangerous because it's not moving. It can be a big thing that is bigger than the vehicle. As you know, that if elephant lion chase you or charge you, you have to stand still. Like very much brave. Like what I'm doing here, standing still. I'm more brave, I'm more experienced than the female. She think like, oh, here's a trouble, let me back up. This is a sun breeding head of elephant where one of the females, she's having collar. There's a tiny little one which is right there. I can see from here. Oh, we're now on it. It's amazing. On the Elephant Society, as you can check, all the youngsters that group all together. Sometimes the vehicle approach, they put the youngster in the middle. It is a protection. It's very amazing. Elephant, if there's a youngster within the head, but all the heads are going to protect the youngster. There's nothing that will go for the youngster because protection is very, very high. They're going towards twin them.